Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my AnalyticsBot review. We're going to be talking about this in this review, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with AnalyticsBot. This launches on the 23rd of January by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So, in a nutshell, AnalyticsBot is a cloud-based software, and this allows you to solve SEO problems. SEO simply refers to search engine optimization, and this allows you to get traffic to your website, to ultimately get sales, so to speak. So the more exposure you have to your website, the more money you are able to make. Either you are doing Google, either you are a Google partner, or you are just basically selling affiliate products, or even selling your own product on your website. So this is a traffic tool. Now the tool gives you the opportunity to actually see what's going on. Take for example your visitors. You want to know the number of visitors you have on your website, where your visitors are from. You want to check how your website is actually ranking for certain keywords, and also the position your website is actually ranking for that particular keyword, and so many other things. You have link cloaking, you have so many other things talking about backlinking, plagiarism check to see if your content is actually a duplicate content, which can actually allow Google to kind of penalize you and ensure that content or your website doesn't rank. So all these tools are tools that people would normally pay for on marketplaces like Fiverr. People want to know what's actually going on with their websites. Is it standing good? Are there emails? Are there problems somewhere with emails and stuff like that? So people actually pay others, for these services on marketplaces. So you are going to get access to 50 SEO tools that you can actually get paid for, apart from being able to use this to troubleshoot your website, to know what's actually going on, what are the next steps for you to take to get the best rankings for your site. So you're going to be able to use this on your own website. You are also going to be able to offer this as a service on marketplaces like Fiverr if you want. So I'm just going to run through my custom bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see a short demo for AnalyticsBot, just showing you what these are, showing you all these tools, up to 50 tools in one cloud-based software. So bonus number one, I'm going to be giving you access to my own traffic boost service. Now what this does is it actually takes away all the work for you. I'm going to be giving you the opportunity to get your link for a product. You can actually go to Munch Eye, go and look for a product that's launching in a couple of days, go and get your affiliate links, and then I am going to do a review video for you for that product, and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a YouTube channel, I'm going to upload it on my other YouTube channel. If you have a channel, I am going to send you the review video. Now all you need to do is just to upload it on your channel, and then the description, of course, you need to add your links, bonus pages done for you, for one product. Now if you are getting upsells, you are going to have the opportunity to pick more products for each upsell, and all you need to do is just submit your link, and the review video is going to be done for you. The bonus page is going to be done for you. Description, everything you need to do is going to be done for you. And even if you don't have a channel, we are going to upload it and add your links for you. So all you need to do is submit your links in order to start getting sales. Also, because number two, you are going to be getting access to cloud-based software. This allows you to place your links on other people's YouTube videos. Now you don't have to create these videos. You can actually just search based on any keyword. You're going to get these viral videos which you can actually place your own links on. Like you can upload images which are going to show up on these videos when people play them, and your images are going to show up. These images are going to be clickable, and it's going to take people to your affiliate link. You can add clickable call to actions, you can add opt-in forms, and this allows you to ultimately drive traffic to your links. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a training where you're going to find out how to really blog for profit. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to a Facebook traffic software. This allows you to automate your Facebook traffic, send a ton of free traffic from Facebook to your website in any niche. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a training where I'm going to be showing you how to create your own WordPress website. So right now, if you have zero experience with website creation, zero experience with hosting and how to make everything work, I am going to be showing you how to do this. In this training, either you want to create an e-commerce website, an affiliate website, a blog, or whichever type of website you want to create from scratch, you are going to find out how to do that in this training. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software. This software comes with done-for-you product reviews, and what's going to happen is you're going to get the opportunity to add your own affiliate links on top of this product reviews. Now, all the buttons on this product reviews are going to become your affiliate links, and this allows you, to drive a ton of traffic because there's free traffic in the cloud-based software and also free traffic training. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to a video where I'm going to be showing you a number of ways you can actually make money on YouTube without having to show your face on camera. And of course, bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to automated courier traffic software. This does not require you to answer questions or create content. And of course, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So what you need to do now to claim these bonuses with AnalyticsBot is simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of AnalyticsBot, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says world's first 50-in-1 SEO app. One click, build your own SEO business with 50-in-1 SEO toolbox in just 60 seconds. 100% newbie friendly, zero tech skills, zero experience needed. Free gift for the first 300 buyers. Also get the all-in-one VIP bundle that's worth $3,497. 100% free. So you get access to faster indexing for your website. Reach, rank fast, on Google page 1 with no extra effort. One click, full SEO analytics instantly for your blogs, websites, and all. You're also going to find some proof of results right here on the sales page. So this ultimately allows you to get better rankings, better exposure, better traffic, and ultimately put you in profit. So come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about this. You can see people offering services, and you can see how much they are actually charging for this service, which means this is actually something very valuable, and this is what you actually want if you are going to be getting any traffic, if you are going to be well ranked, and your SEO is actually going to be top notch. You need such a tool as AnalyticsBot. So let's talk about the pricing. Right now, the front end goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now there are some optional upgrades like the AnalyticsBot Unlimited, the first one is the AnalyticsBot Unlimited, and then you have some optional ones like the AnalyticsBot Exclusive, the AnalyticsBot Reseller. Now this one gives you access to some other features like unlimited backlinks. Backlinks are actually proven, to give you better rankings on Google and even on YouTube with videos. So the OTO number 2 is the AnalyticsBot Pro that gives you even 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero tech ever. So those are the optional upgrades. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So right now I'm going to let you see the short demo showing you the tools you get access to in AnalyticsBot.